to my YouTube channel. This is Ann Abad, Lokbanin Buslug. So, good morning po to everyone. So, isang maulang umaga ngayong araw nito. Alam niyo dito sa Lokban, laging maulan. Kaya dito ang klima dito, medyo malamig talaga. Tsaka masarap ditong nag-stay sa Lokban. Lapit kami sa bundok Banao. Magbe-bake po tayo ng cake today. But this time, ang gagawin natin is a low-carb cake. Yes, madali lang po yung ating cake na gagawin ngayon. Bago tayo mag-start na mag-bake ng cake, trivia muna tayo. So, ang tanong ko, where did cakes come from? Saan ito nagsimula? Okay, according din sa aking mga nabasa, it is a derivation of kaka, or an Old Norse word. So, it's a medieval European bakers often made fruitcakes and gingerbread. According to the food historians, modern cakes po yun yung mga round ones with icing. Ano? And were first baked in the mid-17th century. Question and answer po tayo. So, ngayon, which country is famous for cakes? Siyempre, may pagpipilian tayo. Hindi ko naman kayo pahihirapang mag-isip, no? A po, Scotland. B, Egypt. Ang sagot mo ay Scotland. You are correct. It's known as the land of cakes. Kung sagot mo naman ay B, ang B po ay Egypt. Egyptians were the first culture to show the evidence of advanced skills for baking. Yeah, may natutunan po ba? Ay, very good. So ngayon po, punta na po tayo sa pag-bake.